Password and the real username of our website is b and bug. Hey dude, welcome back to NethaxStark channel. Hope you guys watched our previous video. If not, I will put their links in the description and in the I button. Okay, so in this video I'll tell you about a really nice feature of Burp suite, which is Burp suite Intruder. And in this video we'll also learn how website hacking works and how brute forcing of websites work. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and go to my Instagram page and please follow me there. I'll post many videos and many technological facts there. Okay, so let's like this video and let's jump into the video, guys. So first of all, there is a warning: please do these things in a safe environment. I'm doing this in my bweb vulnerable application, so I will not encouraging you to do this kind of things in real world. Okay, so let's assume here's a database. Okay, and your connection is flowing to you. Okay, here are we Android or attacker. Okay, so as you know, let's see, here's a website password. We have to give our website password. We don't know what is the password of that website. Okay, so here we can do this kind of things like brute forcing website password for logging into the website. Okay, so how we can do this? There's an tool in Kali Linux named Burp suite. Okay, a tool and its name is Burp suite Intruder. So how Intruder work we will see in this video, and let's jump into the video, guys. Now we are in our Kali Linux machine, and let me tell you how we can do that in our Kali Linux. So here's a tool named Burp suite, and this is the tool we'll use, and here's the option Intruder. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you about configuration of our Burp suite and Firefox. Okay, so first of all, you have to click on preferences, then type here network in the search bar. So I'm typing network. Okay, so let me click on settings, and you have to type manual proxy configuration, and here 127. Basically here you have to type here your localhost IP address. Okay, so I typed and port is 8080. Okay, so okay, and open up a terminal here and type, let me zoom, so type here service Apache. So we have to start our web server of Apache, start, and let's type here semicolon and service MySQL start. So it will start MySQL database service and Apache service both in a single command. Okay, so it is started now, and let me click on Mozilla Firefox and let's go to our localhost dashboard, bweb and as you can see we are loading into localhost bweb. Okay, so let's come in the proxy settings of bweb and run intercept on, and here go back and let's refresh the page. Okay, so let's assume this is our target website and we have to brute force the password here. Okay, so as we know the credentials are b and bug, but in real world we don't know what is the password on the website and we have to crack it manually. So here in the Burp suite, open Burp suite, is the request, click on this and send this to Intruder. So basically Intruder will help us to brute force this site's username and password. So let's drop this, and in Intruder, wait a second guys. Okay, let me delete it first and let's click on it. proxy, so forward it. Okay, so there are credentials. In the intruder, click on the positions menu. Okay, and here basically we have to select both the password and username. So let's assume we don't know the password, so I am typing random number, double vad, I typed here vad, and password I am also typed 4-digit number, and let's log in inside this. So here in the proxy, this is our request and we don't know what is the password basically. So let me click on intruder, send this to intruder and forward this request. Okay, so we forwarded it and it said invalid credentials, because we know the real password is b and bug. So let's crack this. Okay, so let's go to bweb intruder section. So we are here in the intruder. Okay, in the intruder. Okay, and here click on positions. First of all, click here and clear this. So we have to now select the users and password we typed. Okay, so as you can see, the login username is vad, so I selected vad only and click on add. Now select the password, which is asdf. So this is a password, we have to select this password. Now select this and click on attack type 2, cluster bomb attack. Okay, now click on payload, and here we have, as you can see, there are two payload sets, because first is for username and second for password name. Okay, so here click on the payload and let's add it. You can type here manually, but since I am doing this attack on my personal bweb environment, so I know the credentials. Okay, so in real world we don't know the credentials, so we have to type we have to load here the username file and the password file. From that it will try to attack the website and it will try to gain the right credentials. But as you know, nowadays the websites are and the servers are using the type of tools that will help them to prevent brute force attack. That's why we have to use proxies in real world. Okay, so add here credentials. So let's type admin. Okay, so this is the super basic username test. We will type here root, we will type here b, we will type here bug. So basically we are typing random numbers here. Okay, but as I typed here b is the username. Okay, and click on payload set 2 and we have to type here. Now let me type bug admin. So as you know, most sites use admin. Okay, admin, or I typed in admin. Twist 1 bug root. Okay, so as you can see, now I set payload set 1 and 2. I setted the passwords and usernames. Okay, now we have to just click on attack, start attack. You don't have to click on resource pool and options. Okay, these are not our game. We have to just type here start attack. When you type here start attack, then it will show this. Okay, basically click on it and it will start doing brute force attack, and it will try to gain the right password and the right username for this website. So as you can see, it is trying 42 times basically. And let's see, will it find or not. So as you know, I'm doing this in my personal environment, and I know the password and the username, I'm assuming the password and username here. So in real world we have to use word list of users and word list of passwords, and it will crack it. So as you can see here, it is going to complete and it is finished. So let's check. As you know, here, this is the length, this is the code type. Okay, so HTML basically sent 200 to tell us that this connection was successful. Okay, and as you know, there, when you scroll down, all the status codes are same, but as you can see, there is a status code of 302 and it is different. And here, as you can see, this is the another status code of 302. Both are different from each other, and as you can see, the real request and the real password and the real username of our website is B and bug. And as you can see, we will click on response, and we can also see them here. Okay, so let's type these things on our B web. So login B, password is bug. Click on login. It will send us proxy intercept. It will sending as request. So we have to type on forward this request, and as you can see, we are inside the website. Okay, so as you know, this attack is really simple, and you can also perform it on other sites by return permission of the user of the site or admin of the site. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content, and please do follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are safe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.